Hello viewers, welcome back to new video for Gemini. Sorry, could not connect to the server. Please try again problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, search Gemini app, click on Gemini, tap on force stop, tap on OK, click on storage and tap on clear data, tap on delete, press on power button, tap on reset phone normally.